Hello friends, in this video I will tell how to add image in Thunkable. So this is my screen and here all components are there and components properties are there in this side. So for image I will search image, then one image option will come, component will come, we will drag it and put it on the screen. So you can give size from here. This is height 150 and width, so I will do 300 and width also 300. See, my image has been big. So now you want to add picture in this, so you can go in picture, upload files or type in URL. So I will go in Google Chrome and search line image. So too many of line image came. Now I will touch in one of them. Save as, or you can copy the link also. I am save image as I am doing. So you can line, give name line, and you can save. Now your picture line picture has been saved. Now select picture, upload files and search the line picture. See, it came. Click on this and open. See, the line picture has came. Height we will make. Now it's clear. See your picture inserted in this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. In next video, I will tell how to add pictures in code.org.